What's up, everybody? And I'm here. I want to talk about SPY. What a move today. What a move. It was crazy. So for a moment, we have this sideways action here. And for a moment, we came down pre-market. And then we came up and it looked like we were going to retest this box. And I had made a video talking about if we confirm under 392, the move to the downside would be confirmed. We never confirmed the move to the downside. We did not even get a lower low, right? So if you look at this chart here, the candle never broke the previous one. This one rejected, but the previous one didn't. And then we got this massive bullish move hour by hour. So it's important that when you're day trading, you're also tracking your stocks hour by hour. And that way you know if the candle's green on that hour, then that means that you can find entries and exits on that hour just based on the fact that the day's bullish, the hour's bullish, and the week is bullish. And talking about the week, we still have this 2022 downtrend here, right? If you highlight it, 2022 downtrend is right here. Boom. Right? So now we have this breakout and a retest. So if you want, we can zoom in here. We have this downtrend and then breakout, retest. So we're looking for the next move up, right? Like 1, 2, 3, and let's go. All right. So, but what's also happening here is that you have this uptrend for this year, right? And what's happening in this uptrend is that right now SPY is at a crucial decision-making area. So if you look at this candle, the weekly candle is still red, right? So this is how you start recognizing trend after trend after trend after trend, right? So this is the 2022 downtrend, and then this is the shorter term 2023 uptrend. So notice that we got here, then we have a bounce here for the next bullish move. Now we came back and we're looking for the next bullish move. So if you take a look at this candle here, you see this candle still red. We want it to go from red to green. So in order for that to happen, the daily chart has to have another green candle like it did today, right? This is a closer look at that same exact line that we have here on the weekly, on the daily. So we see that it needs to reclaim this line. So we closed above. That's good. Now we need a higher high and a higher low, right? Basically, like these two candles that you see here, we need a repetition of that here. And that would indicate that SPY is still bullish. That would make the weekly green. And you can find an entry on the hour chart. Now remember, we've been going sideways for the last few days, right? If you look at this hour chart, you can see, if I zoom out here, you can see we had this downtrend, sideways action, and now we're looking for a break of this sideways action, either up or down. For a moment there today, at the beginning of the day, it looked like we were going to break down, but like I said, the price never confirmed. So it might have faked out a lot of people, but if you know your structure, your entries, and how to get in and out of trades, you would have known that this is the first move, came back, retest, and then when it broke back down after 392, then the move is confirmed. That never happened. In fact, we never even saw another red candle after this one. After that, we just got straight green bullish candles. So these are some of the things that you need to notice when you're a trader. Depending on how long you plan on holding a trade, then you would consider whether you're even looking at the hour chart. If you're holding overnight and you don't have the time to be at your screen, then you're looking at this daily chart, the weekly chart, and maybe even the monthly chart. But if you're an active day trader, then you need to be looking at all of these so that you can have a clear and concise analysis of what's going on. For example, right now I see, oh look, the SPY is bearish. The day is here at the 50 period moving average. We're kind of dancing around. We're getting below and above, then below, and today we got above again, right? So then that lets me know that we're going sideways and we're dancing around this 50 period moving average, and I can see more detail on the hour chart. Now that we have the sideways action planned out and mapped out here, now we know that we just need to get above this sideways action for the next bullish move, right? Bullish move upside of this box, another green candle, and that would make this week finish green on the weekly. Now if tomorrow we actually reject this box and come back down and then break this 392, then that means that the candle is going to become a full red candle, and that there's a big possibility that we're going to see more downside next week. All right. So it's important that when you're looking at stocks that you have all 3 time frames up. Like I said, it's depending on what time frame you're trading. But if I was day trading, I would look at this, that, and then look for an entry on the 5-minute. And the most important part about trading is actually having an entry and an exit strategy. I see so many traders struggle because they're so lost on what is my entry, what is my exit, when should I take profits. These are the questions that most traders ask themselves, and they have major issues becoming successful because they can't answer these questions. This is why you need to hire a person who knows what they're doing and figure it out before you lose all your money, before you figure it out on your own. These are some of the things that I went through, and I definitely encourage you to find a coach, a mentor, and somebody that's going to help you get over your trading difficulties so you don't have to keep struggling. All right. If you want me to look at any tickers, or maybe I'll update you guys tomorrow morning with some bullish stocks and some bearish stocks. It's pretty late tonight, but I just wanted to make this video because SPY has me super hyped. That move today was massive, and I want to see if we can get another move like this. So basically the move today, a little bull flag, so a little pullback, and then another move to the upside, breaking outside of this box. Once we break outside of this box, I want to see the first rejection, and then once we see that first rejection like this one and we confirm back up to the upside, I'm going heavy on SPY, especially if we got a green weekly candle. All right, so that's all for tonight. Thanks again for watching. My name is Lewis, and if you have any questions, tickers, or anything, write it in the comments, subscribe and like, and thank you for watching again.